The due diligence process does not need to be complicated, right? So many people get hung up on like all of these little aspects and trying to like just find out every last little thing about the property. And the bottom line is the vast majority of time, unless you're going down that road specifically to do something like that, the vast majority of those things does not need to be known, right? And you can find out what it's zoned for example. Let's use zoning as an example. And they say, well, it allows single family and manufactured homes. That's what it allows on the property. What is a manufactured home? That really depends on the area, right? Every area is different about that. So to sit there and try to be like, well, you can bring in a mobile home that's from 2021, but you can't bring in a mobile home from 1986. That may be true, it may not be. And some people get so far along with that they just try to get all of these details, and it really doesn't matter. Yes, you may have a buyer that comes along and asks you very specifically, can I put on a mobile home from 1986 on this property? And if you don't know the answer, you just tell them, I don't know about that one specifically. Yes, the property allows mobile homes. If you have a question about your specific mobile home, then you should contact the county directly or the city or whoever it may be and ask them.